Hey guys, I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make this incredibly delicious chickpea cookie dough. And if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. If you're anything like me, I love to eat the raw cookie dough while I'm making cookies, but here's the thing. That is not really like a healthy thing to do because you're not supposed to be consuming raw eggs and raw flour. There's gonna be bacteria in there that can make you sick. So that's why you need to know about this recipe. This is chickpea cookie dough, and it is completely safe to eat raw. First thing we're gonna do is drain and rinse our chickpeas. So it's so important to drain and rinse these chickpeas really well. All right, so now we're gonna take these chickpeas and dump them in our food processor. And now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. First up is the peanut butter. We are going to add 1/4 cup. Try this. I love peanut butter. You don't like peanut butter, Cameron?
No, I do.
I love peanut butter. Next up is gonna be 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and definitely try to make it 1/2 teaspoon. I think if you did more than that, it would definitely be too strong of a flavor. Next up is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to finish it off with just a pinch of salt. Oh. I like salt. I know salt is one of those things that's really important and very precise when you're baking. With this recipe, since we're not actually gonna be baking this dough into cookies, it's not as precise. Guys, I totally messed up and I got to the very end of the video and I forgot that I didn't include one ingredient. We should have added 2 tablespoons of the rolled oats into the food processor as we were doing it. You'll see that if you go to my website and you'll see it in the full recipe. So I apologize, please forgive me. Let's go on with the show. I love eating this chickpea cookie dough as a snack whenever I get those sweet cravings later in the day. One way that I also really love to eat this is I pop it in the freezer and I eat it just like ice cream, and it is super delicious. So anyway, let's get to the blending. So basically all we're gonna do is just let this food processor do its job. We're gonna blend it until it's really nice and smooth. All right, it is, whoa, sometimes I talk loud. Okay, this is perfectly smooth now. Let me show you what it looks like. Check this out. Look at how delicious that looks. All right, so now I'm gonna take the blade out. I'm gonna scrape down the sides and get it into the middle. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm just scraping down the sides and then getting all of the chickpea cookie dough right into the middle there, which is gonna make this next step a little easier. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. You can also use milk chocolate if you'd like. You can use more or less. This is totally to taste. I find that 1/2 cup, it works really well. And then now all I'm gonna do is just give this a little bit of fold. We're gonna fold the cookie dough over and just get the chocolate chips nice and evenly mixed through. Okay, and that's it. Now it's ready to eat. But before I give it a taste, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give it a taste. This chickpea cookie dough is amazing. Now, I have to be honest here, it's not the same as a regular cookie dough. The flavors are gonna be a little bit different, but this is awesome. Guys, you've gotta try this recipe if you love cookie dough. I'll see you in the next video.